Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to share with you a great tip about moving around quickly and effectively within a document using voice recognition, particularly Dragon voice recognition. It's the insert after command. So I'm going to start by turning on the microphone. Wake up. Insert after currently. Insert after currently. Insert after move. 1. Insert after simply. Question mark. Scratch that. Insert some text here. Scratch that. Stop listening. So as you see, this is a great command that is completely hands-free, allows you to move around a document simply by telling the software to move the cursor to any word on the page that you currently see. You also notice that at one point a couple numbers came up. That means that the word appeared more than once, and you just choose, just say 1 or 2 or whatever number you want the cursor to move to. So once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and if you'd like to get some more tips, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you want to get an in-depth e-course on everything, you can visit my website. Both the subscription to YouTube and the website are both on this page, and you can visit them anytime, and I look forward to giving you more tips in the future. Bye-bye.